Hello friend.
Hi guys, welcome back to Amaze Math. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for the returning subscribers. For the new viewers, please consider subscribing, and everyone please like the video. So today's topic will be on solving equations. So we'll do a couple of questions and then we can finish the video.
Let's go.
So number one, we have fill in the missing numbers. So 8 plus something will give us 20. So we do 20 minus 8 equals to 12. So in algebra, you do the opposite of the sign they've given you to find this number. 20 minus 8 equals to 12. Therefore, 8 plus 12 equals to 20. Part B, we have 13 minus something will give us 6. So definitely the number will be smaller than 13. So here we just minus. So 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Therefore, the answer is 7 there. Number 2, solve x plus 7 equals to 29. So here we need to find the value of x. So we draw a line on the equal sign. Then we take 7 to the other side by doing the opposite of plus. Opposite of plus is minus. So we do minus 7 on both sides. So 7 minus 7, that one is 0. And this side we are remaining with x. So x equals to 29 minus 7 will be 22. Therefore, x equals to 22. Number 3, solve m over 2 equals to 8.5. Draw your line there. So m divided by 2, we do the opposite of division because these two are connected by a division. So the opposite of division is times. So to get rid of the 2, I'll multiply by 2 on both sides. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this side we're left with m equals to 8.5 times 2. So 8.5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so 0, 1. 8.5 times 2 is 17. So m equals to 17. Number 4, solve 8p equals to 72. So draw your line. Then 8p is joined by times. So there's a times here. So we do the opposite of times is division. We divide both sides by 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. P equals to 9. Number 5, solve 7 minus n equals to 15. So here we draw the line. So we need to make this negative n a positive first of all, because as you have noticed in number 2, in question number 2, the x was a positive, so it was easy to solve it. But now when the variable is a negative, we start with the variable, we make it positive by doing plus n on both sides. So our new equation will be 7 equals to 15 plus n, because negative n plus n is 0. So we can write it again, 7 equals to 15 plus n. Now let's get rid of the 15. So 15 is joined together with n by a positive. So opposite of positive will be minus. We do minus 15 on both sides. 7 minus 15 equals to negative 8 equals to n. So you can rewrite it again as n equals to negative 8. And that's your answer. Number 6, solve 6g equals to 24. So 6 times g, the opposite of times is division. So draw your line and then do the opposite of times, division. So you divide both sides by 6 to get rid of the 6. Now you're left with g equals to 24 divided by 6 is 4. Therefore, g equals to 4. Number 7, solve 6 into bracket b minus 5, close the bracket, equals to 52. So here we need to get rid of the bracket by expanding it, and we have a video on expansion. So we do 6 times b, and then we do 6 times negative 5. So 6 times b is 6b minus 6 times 5 is 30 equals to 52. Now opposite of minus is positive, so we do plus. We draw the line, we do plus 30 on both sides. So here we're left with 6b equals to 52 plus 30 is 82. Then the opposite of times, because here 6 times b, so opposite of times is division. So we do divide by 6, divide by 6. b equals to 6 goes into 82, or rather 6 goes into 8 one time, remainder 2, so we can put a 2 here. 6 goes into 22 how many times? 3 times because of 18, so the remainder would be 6 goes into 22 will be 3, remainder 4, 18, so 22 minus 18 is 4 all over 6. The next step is to simplify the 4 out of 6. We divide both numbers by 2. So we'll end up with 13 whole. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, b equals to 13 whole 2 over 3. Number 8. Solve 5 into bracket x minus 6 equals to 65. So open the bracket, 5 times x and 5 times 6. 5 times x is 5x minus 5 times 6 is 30 equals to 65. Opposite of minus is plus, so we add 30 on both sides. And here we're left with 5x equals to 65 plus 30 is 95. So 5 times, so we do opposite of times is division. Divide by 5, x equals to 19. So x equals to 19. So x equals to 19. Number 9, solve 8 into bracket m minus 5 equals to 48. So 8 times m and 8 times 5. 8 times m is 8m minus 8 times 5 is 40 equals to 48. Draw your line. So opposite of minus will be plus. So plus 40 on both sides. So 8m equals to 8. So 8 times m, divide on both sides. And you're left with m equals to 11. Number 10, solve 3h minus 5 equals to 12. Draw your line. Opposite of minus 5 will be plus 5 on both sides. So 3h equals to 12 plus 5 is 17. So now divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. Therefore h would be 3 goes into 17 5 times because of 15. Remainder 2 out of 3. Number 11, solve x plus x plus x equals to 42. So these are 3x's equals to 42. 3 times, so opposite will be division. Divide by 3 on both sides and you're left with x equals to 3 goes into 4 one time. 3 goes into 4 because of 3 and then remainder 1. So that becomes 12. 3 goes into 12. 4 times. Therefore, x equals to 14. Number 12, 2x over 3 equals to 6. So draw your line. Now we have two numbers connected to x. So we can start with the denominator. To get rid of the denominator, since this one is a division, we'll do times 3 on both sides to get rid of the 3. And here we're left with 2x equals to 6 times 3 is 18. Now the opposite of times would be division. So x equals to 9. Divide both sides by 2. So x equals to 9. Number 13, 4p over 5 equals to 20. So we start with the denominator. This is a division, so we do opposite of division is times, and you multiply with the number you want to get rid of. So times 5 on both sides. So 5 will cancel with that. We're left with 4p equals to 20 times 5 is 100. So 4 times, do opposite of times is division. Divide both sides by 4. And therefore p equals to 25. P equals to 25. Number 14, solve a plus a plus a plus a equals to 24. So let's add all the a's. Those are 4 a's equals to 24. This is 4 times a. So opposite of times will be division. Divide both sides by 4. So a equals to 6. A equals to 6. Last but not least, we have question 15. Solve y over 3 minus 5 equals to 4. So let's start with the 5. So opposite of minus will be plus. So plus 5 on both sides. So we're left with y over 3 equals to 9. So y divided by 3. So opposite of divided by 3 will be times 3 on both sides. So the 3 will cancel. And you're left with y equals to 9 times 3 is 27. So y equals to 27. And that marks the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching till the end. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. Also leave your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.
Goodbye.